In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your bank details in Zoho Invoice, a process that should take about 5 minutes. We'll be walking through each step in detail to make sure you have everything you need to seamlessly integrate your bank information onto your invoices. First things first, you need to open your web browser. Once you have that open, go ahead and type Zoho into your preferred search engine. You'll usually see the official Zoho website as the first result, characterized by its well-recognized URL ending in .com. It's important to ensure you're accessing the correct website to proceed safely. Upon reaching the Zoho website, the next thing you'll do is log in to your existing account. If you're new to Zoho, you'll want to sign up to create a new account. It's a smooth process requiring basic information to get you up and running in no time. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a host of applications available. You're going to want to select the Zoho Invoice application specifically. This is where all the magic of creating and managing your invoices happens. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a menu. Look for the option labeled Settings. This is your control center, where you can configure various aspects of your Zoho Invoice experience. Within the settings, the next step is to select the PDF template. This section allows you to choose how your invoices are formatted and presented to your clients. You'll be editing a template to include your bank details. Now, find the template that you want to update and click on Edit. It's right beside your chosen template and opens up a whole range of customizations to help match your brand and requirements. In the left pane of the editor, you'll find a section called Other Details. Clicking on this will present additional fields for entering supplementary information that you might want on your invoice. Here's where the crucial step takes place. You'll see an option to add your bank details. Click this, and a form will appear where you need to enter the necessary bank information. Make sure to fill in accurate details such as your bank name, account number, and any other required fields that might be particular to your transaction preferences. After you've entered all the necessary bank information, make sure to save your changes. These details will now automatically appear on every invoice that is generated using this template, making it simple for your clients to pay you quickly and easily. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to adding your bank details in Zoho Invoice. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.